Hey everybody, James Wright here from Brantford Honda, aka Mr.BuyitWright. Today we're taking a look at the 2020 CRV LX all-wheel drive in the ever-popular modern steel metallic colorway. Let's take a peek.
Check out the 2020 CRV LX. This is the all-wheel drive model. Has 190 horsepower and 179 foot-pounds of torque under the hood. For more information, order, arrange a test drive. You can go ahead and call or text me on my cell anytime. It's 519-732-5551.
You have these keyless proximity door fobs, so all you have to do is have this on you now to unlock your doors. It also has a remote engine starter. So simply to unlock, grab the handle, your doors are now going to pop open for you. And to relock when you're walking away, you just tap the little panel right on top of your handle. And there's loads of convenience features inside. On the steering wheel, you notice the full range of controls right at your fingertips. On the right is your adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist. On the left, your Bluetooth, media, voice controls, and your menu control for your digital display right behind here. You can bring up your fuel economy, driver attention monitor, your all-wheel drive information, maintenance, media, Bluetooth, or flip between kilometers an hour and miles per hour very easily. Just down below here, you have some of your Honda sensing features. You have your lane mitigation and forward collision warning, as well as your front windshield de-icer, which in Canada is super handy to have. And on the door, your power mirror and window switches. On the dash, you have an absolutely gorgeous touchscreen display here. This is also a display for your backup camera. Right now it's showing you a wide angle, so that's good for when you're back in a parking spot. You can see anybody coming from either side of you or kids running out. This is your regular backup view, and you can look straight down as well. So right along here is where your bumper is. I like to use this when I'm backing into a space and I want to get extra close to the person behind me. Or if I'm coming up to a wall, you can tuck in nice and close without worrying about hitting anything. On the screen, you'll control your climate, change your fan speed or where the fan is blowing to, and a very simple to use dual zone climate control panel with heated seats. Just below that, you have your automatic gear shifter. You do have the auto start stop function here. It's going to save you some money on gas, just like your econ mode. You're going to pop that on. It's going to reduce your performance a bit on the engine, but you're going to get a lot better fuel economy. Of course, your brake hold feature and your electronic parking brake. Now, this center console is redesigned with this year. You do have your two USB ports here now. This one here, when you plug in your phone, you can load up Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to the screen above. I love using that on my personal car. I bring up my Google Maps on here, so I now have navigation. Your cup holders, of course. And then this armrest is all new and changed as well. It is fully adjustable. Inside, you do have a change tray that you can fold back or open up and move completely out of the way. On the old model, it wouldn't do this function here. And you have lots of storage inside. I also love the trimmings on the inside of the CRV this year. It has a metallic looking bar added on the inside, wrapping all the way around, making the inside very clean and very sporty looking. Your hatch, you're gonna notice loads of cargo space here. These seats do fold down very easily. You simply pull a little lever here and your seat's gonna lay down flat for you. You can also adjust for some extra tall storage. Thank you for watching. So if you're in the market for a new CRV, you can go ahead and call or text me on my cell anytime. It's 519-732-5551. That's for any general vehicle information, order, arrange your test drive, and I'm going to put you in my next gift card giveaway.